Hello. One of our customer asked the following question. Hi, I am new in WordPress Word. Your theme is wonderful, but I can't change one thing. Where can I modify in this theme who we are, why choose us, and testimonials? So, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to replace following sections: who we are, why choose us, and testimonials. For this, please go to your dashboard. First, we will change who we are and why choose us section. Please go to your template dashboard, then click pages, find pages, and find home page. Click edit. As you can see, here is who we are. You can replace text here and why choose us. For example, in the text mode, we will change temporary instead of temporary lorem ipsum, for example, and click update. In the who we are section, we will read temporary lorem ipsum. Instead of this word, when we refresh site, we will read new text. Refresh site, temporary lorem ipsum. Now we can change why choose us. Why choose me, for example. And click update. Instead of us, just we will see me. Why choose me? Regarding testimonials, we should click on testimonial section here. Here is 3 testimonials. For example, Patrick Brown. Click edit. Instead of Plentes Cuie, we write lorem ipsum. And again, click update. Just we should replace Joseph Morgel. Again, refresh. We should find another. Okay, we can click here and next post, and just a moment, again next post, lorem ipsum convalescens. It is Patrick Brown. When we go on home page and when Patrick Brown testimonials will appear here, we will read lorem ipsum. So here's 3 testimonials page: Patrick Brown, Kate Miller, and Joseph Morgels. We can write, for example, 1, update, then second one, here's 2, update, and third testimonials, which we already changed, 3. Now, after the refresh site, we can see 2, because randomly the script is here, and now Patrick Brown is 3. It is very easy. As you can see, we changed it and replaced text in this section. It is very easy. If you need any further information or help, please contact us. Thank you. Bye.